These 5 exercises are gonna have you crawling out the gym. Make sure you stretch for these. What's good, y'all? Jonathan Murray here, back with another video, and you already know what this channel is about: health and wealth, becoming the fittest and best version of yourselves, as well as financially the best as well. So make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe and turn the notification bell on to stay up to date on all the videos, all the content I got releasing for you guys as well. Make sure that you guys in the comment section below drop what kind of videos you guys are trying to see on this channel, so we can keep essentially the best content on here, right? But let's go ahead and let's get into this video. So these are essentially 5 exercises that are going to have leg day be the best day, right? So these may not necessarily be the best exercises, but these are 5 good core exercises that are going to have your quads, have your hamstrings, have your calves burning, and essentially building that muscle. So these are in no particular order, right? But definitely make sure that you're getting the proper time in between each set. Usually these are going to be about 4 sets between each one, as well as I usually recommend about 3 to 5 minutes in between each set. It varies depending on what you're going for. If you're going, to tone, build muscle, if you're, looking to burn, whatever your scenario is, usually I preferably go for about 3 to 5 minutes in terms of rest. But make sure that you're not sitting down, or just kind of on your phone. Make sure you're still walking around in between each one, so you can get the best out of this workout, right? But let's go ahead and let's go into the very first one. So this is actually alternating dumbbell lunges, and this is actually really good for your quads. It's good for your hip flexor, as well as your calves to a certain extent as well. And little do you know, the guy right next to me is actually doing this exercise as well. I had no idea at all he was going to be doing the same exercise, so I was looking in the corner of my eye like, all right. But make sure with this that you're doing about 3 to about 4 sets of this, about give or take about 10 to 12 reps. So since this is 10 to 12 reps, also make sure that you're doing the proper weight to go with this exercise, and make sure you're working on that form, as well as making sure that your knee is either barely touching the ground or about to touch the ground, just to kind of help keep those muscles flexing at that particular point. But yeah. So this is an all-time favorite in terms of exercises. This is leg extensions, and this is definitely something that will get those quads right. With leg extensions, I typically do about 4 sets of these as well, sitting at about 8 to 10 reps. So make sure that you're adjusting the weight accordingly. As well, with this exercise, you can gradually increase the weight every single set. So make sure when you're going up, go. So right here we got close stance Smith machine squats. So these, you're really gonna feel it on this exercise. So definitely make sure that when you're doing this, you have your feet straight forward, not outward like that. And as well, when you go down, make sure you're not sticking your knees out as well. So you want your feet straight forward, about shoulder width apart, as well as your knees go straight down. I would suggest a little bit less than 90 degrees when you go down. Slow down, fast up. About 8 to 10 of these in terms of reps, and about 4 sets. You're going to feel it after this exercise, and make sure you do the weight accordingly, and you're gonna feel it. Seated hamstring curls. This one is a killer on the hamstrings, as it implies. Make sure that you're going slow up and as quick as you can down, just to kind of help with that movement and help get the best possible strain on those muscles as you can. So this is the very last one I got for you guys. This one is actually called the seated calf press on the leg press machine. That's how I kind of usually like to do it, but I always like to end the day with some exercises that are gonna burn me out, burn whatever I got left in the tank out. So this one, make sure you're doing about 4 sets of these, and make sure you do this until failure. I always like to do burnouts on the last one. So essentially burnouts just mean, you keep going until you can't no more. And as a safety precaution, also make sure as well that you have the safety on when you're doing this. So you're not opening out the little thing. I'm not quite sure what it's called, but make sure you keep those closed so when you're done, it just sets right on there. But have fun. So let me know what you guys think about those 5 exercises. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Definitely try this out for yourself in the gym and tell me what you think. Definitely in the comments below. And definitely, do you think I should add stuff to it or subtract it? Did it leave you burning? Did it leave you crawling outside the gym? Definitely let me know what you guys think below. And as well, comment other videos and other things you think I should add in terms of fitness, wealth, all that kind of stuff. And probably around next week, I'm actually going to be adding and incorporating some more track videos, because that's my background. For those who don't know, I used to run track since I was about 10 years old, up until college. So that's my build actually. So like I said, I got that that slim, tall, track athletic build. So leg day, I'm definitely gonna be using a lot of this in terms of leg day, but definitely I'm gonna be adding some more track videos to this. I'm actually gonna be adding some more in-depth videos in terms of trading and investing and everything like that, and other ways in terms of making money. So I got a lot of content coming for you guys, and definitely subscribe. Like I said, if you gained any sort of value from this video, as well as like and comment. This helps with the algorithm so that it recommends more videos like this for you, as well as it helps grow this channel, and helps me know that you guys are liking the value that you guys are receiving. But this video wasn't meant to be super long for you guys, but it's definitely something that helps. Hopefully it helps you guys in y'all's journey in 2022, or whenever you're watching this video. But let's go ahead and let's become the healthiest and wealthiest version of ourselves. I'll see you guys on the next video. Let's get it.